Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with my Wild Style. Remember, God loves you. Today, I am going to show you how easy it is to can pumpkin. This was a medium-sized pumpkin that I cut into half-inch cubes. And now I'm just going to pack them down into these jars until there is no room left to push any more down. Fill it all the way to the top of the glass. Now I have some hot boiling water here that I'm going to move to the counter because we need to fill each jar with hot water. I'm going to slide my canner over to the flame and make sure that it's centered on that fire. Now I am going to prep this napkin with vinegar so that way it's ready when I need to wipe the rim after I fill each jar with boiling water. Fill it to that first ring. Now I'm going to use a butter knife to debubble these jars. Just slide your blade down the side of the jar and push towards the pumpkin to release any bubbles. Now wipe the rims clean and place the lid and the ring on hand tight. Place in the canner. After I got most of the bubbles out of this jar, you will notice that the water level has dropped. So I am just going to fill the water back up to that bottom ring. I'm shaking the jar because I can't get some of the bubbles out of the jars. I am adding the metal spacer in between the layers of jars. Now find the arrows on your lid and line them up with the pressure canner, turning it so it is nice and snug and tight. This little device right here is a safety feature that tells you if it is up that your lid is locked in place and you cannot accidentally open it. Make sure this rubber gasket is in. Let this pressure vent steam 10 minutes as the heat rises. Place your weight on and bring it up to the pounds of pressure that your elevation is asking for. Turn off your pressure canner and wait an hour till it drops down to 0 on the gauge, and then carefully remove the lid. Wait another 10 minutes to let these jars cool down before you remove them. I just use a placemat to put my hot jars on because the temperature between the counter and the jar could cause it to crack open. I pressure can these for 55 minutes and they are fully cooked. Aren't they beautiful? I am removing the top layer of jars. and then just remove that center rack so you can take out the bottom layer. Well guys, that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and as always, may God bless you.